So welcome back. What is up, guys? And previously we covered the CS2 and CS3 two-dimensional transformation, and now we're going to focus on the three-dimensional transformation. And we're going to cover a little bit of it and move over to some other things. And so what I've done is I have a div, a class container, and then I inserted an image, gave it a class transformation. So I'm going to go ahead and style that transformation. And so we have WebKit for Chrome, and we have the normal one. Since I'm using Google Chrome, depending on the browser, you might want to add. So if you're using Mozilla, you might want to add MZ here. All right, you should already know that by now. And so what we did is, this is X, Y, this is Z axis, and so this is three-dimensional. The one we did earlier was two-dimensional. So I'm going to go ahead and hula. So you see, it gave us a three-dimensional perspective to what we are doing. And so let's go ahead and see for rotate 3D. And so you see the translate, you say translate 3D. Okay, let's just see something quickly. Let's just see the translate. Let's remove this one. I want to see the difference. Let me see if there is much difference. I'm just trying to explore this. So there isn't much difference though. And so we'll just go ahead and do the 3D rotate. And so rotate 3D. And so let's see what we have. And so you see, it's actually rotated. It's trying to rotate it. And one other thing I want us to look at again is the scale. The scale has something. Let me see. Okay, so I added a perspective, like the English word sound, is to actually make it obvious. Okay, one more thing I want to show us is the scale. Now, this is a little bit different, and that's why I wanted to point it out. It's a little bit different in the sense that you have to use the scale, 3D scale, in relationship with other functions. So you see, we scaled it and we added rotate. So you can scale and skew. You can scale and translate. Okay. And so everything remains the same. We just scale 3D and we added. That's just it. And I'm going to go ahead and so you see what we have here. And so let's try and remove this perspective and see the work here. So you see, perspective actually gives it a perspective. You know, when you're having a conversation, this is my perspective to the issue. You know, that's it. So you might want to add that. You have learned that today. Okay, and that's it in this part of the tutorial. Subsequently, we want to see how we can do more animations. Thank you.